The synagogue of Satan used the gathering of the Israelites to imitate many prophecies to deceive the whole world. The kingdom of darkness used the gathering of the 12 tribes of Israel to establish the state of Israel in 1948. They used the prophecy of gathering the 12 tribes to occupy land in the Middle East. That is the real purpose for establishing the state of Israel. The scriptures reveal that the Most High would scatter his people to the four corners of the world. The kingdom of darkness used the expulsion of the Jewish people from many nations to fulfill the Most High exiling his people out of the promised land. Being expelled from a country and exiled by the Most High are two different things. The Israelites were scattered throughout the world due to their idol worship and constant abominations.